another video about frame generator in Autodesk Inventor 2021. And today's topics we will cover on the end treatment in the frame generator. We will continue from the last model that we created using frame generator. If you not watch it yet, you can click on the link in the description below to watch how to create frame using frame generator in Autodesk Inventor. Alright, as you can see, the frame design is still not completed yet. It still needs some trim and notch on some part. In this video, we will look on how to use the end treatment. Consists of miter, trim, and lastly how to create a notch profile using notch tool. First, we start with miter cut. In the property panel dialog box, under selection, the software asks you to select frame member. So what you need to do is just select two frame member like this. I will change the view so we can have a better look on this. Apply the gap if needed in your frame design. I'll just keep the gap 1 mm. Then click OK. Right, cool. Very straightforward and easy. Okay, we try again, but this time I will select all the frame member that we want to apply the miter cut onto it. Then I click OK. Right, as you can see, basically you can just select multiple frame in one go, but make sure that at least two frame member are next to each other so it can create the miter cut. Okay, next we will look at how to trim your frame members. In the property panel dialog box, there are two selections, which is tool and frame members. We will select the tool first, but you can do the frame member first, it doesn't matter. Select the face on the frame to define cutting tool for trimming, and then select the frame member that we want to cut. You can also apply the gap for your trimming if needed in your frame design, but for this I will just keep it 0. I'll click OK to finish. Alright, and all the frame member that I've selected will be trimmed until that bottom face of the top frame. Lastly, we will look at notch. Okay, for notch, you need to select one frame member to apply the notch onto, and another frame member as the notch tool. You can see the blue frame member end was cut follow the notch tool profile. You can apply the gap for notch if needed, and you can tick on perpendicular cut to cut the frame member perpendicular to the notch tool profile. Alright, once done, you can click OK to complete the notch tool command, and you can see the frame member the notch has been created on the frame member, so it fit with other frame member profile. Alright, I will create another one at the other end. Before we end, I would like to show some cool updates for frame generator in Inventor 2021. First, we will look at the trim command. So the trim has been improved, enabling you to select trim member to a curved frame, resulting a frame cut that is ready for manufacturing. Alright, cool. Next, we will look at the notch command. So Notch command has been included with the additional profile, extending notch support to I, C, and T channel, as well as a circular member. Alright, under notch profile, we can select the custom template. We can now specify the custom dimension for the notch cut profile. Alright, looks like we have come to an end. Please feel free to check on our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video like this. Stay tuned for our upcoming video on frame generator on how to reuse frame members and insert gap. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye and thank you.